study chapter 3 and chapter 8 of class 8 science. It is first we will study chapter 3 of science. It is synthetic fibers and plastics. First, I will tell you about synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are the fibers which are made up of chemicals. In this chapter, we will study about some of the synthetic fibers which are rayon, nylon and acrylic. First, we will start with rayon. It contains same properties as silk. It was made by the scientists in the end of 19th century. It is a synthetic fiber made from natural products, that is wool pulp. It can be dyed in many colors. Now we will study about nylon. It was made in 1931. It is a synthetic fiber made from natural products like coal, water and air. Properties of nylon are: it is strong, elastic, durable, lightweight and cheaper than other products. It is used in fishing nets as it is lightweight. Nylon ropes are stronger than the steel wires. PET, polyethylene terephthalate. It is used in making bottles and utensils, etc. It is a type of, we can say, plastic. Now, polycord is a mixture of cotton and polyester, and polywool is a mixture of wool and polyester. Acrylic, it resembles the same properties as wool. The clothes made from wool are expensive, but the clothes made from acrylic are cheaper than the woolen clothes. It can be dyed in many colors. Now we will study about plastic. Plastics are divided into two types, which are thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. First, I will tell you about thermoplastic. The plastic which can be molded once are called thermoplastic. Thermosetting plastic, the plastics which can be molded one time are called thermosetting plastic. It is divided into two parts, which are bakelite and melamine. Bakelite, it is a poor conductor of heat and is used in saucepans and electrical sockets. Melamine, it resists fire and controls heat better than other plastics and is used in firemen's suits. Now we will take the questions of examples. First question, multiple choice question. First, pick the synthetic fibers out of the following. Option A, cotton. Option B, nylon. Option C, jute, and option D, wool. The correct is nylon. D part.
We don't have to read all the questions. Just read as to what is the correct. Read it as a fact. Read it as a fact.
Which of the following is a source of rayon, wood pulp? Polycord is obtained by mixing polyester and cotton. Which is thermosetting plastic? Melamine. The material silk. The material similar to silk is appearance is rayon. The most suitable material for the preparation of handles of cooking utensils is bakelite. Which of the following is not a common property of plastic? Good conductor of electricity. Name of which of the following groups contain all synthetic substances? PVC, polyethylene and bakelite. The material which is commonly used for making kitchen containers is Teflon. Very short answer and questions. First, cotton is a natural polymer. What is the chemical name? Cellulose. A synthetic fiber which looks like silk is obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp. It is therefore known as artificial silk, which is what is the common name? Rayon. Terracotta is made by mixing two types of fibers. Write the names of the fibers. Cotton plus nylon. Plastic articles are available in all possible shapes and sizes. Can you tell me why? As when plastic is heated, it melts and then we could give it any shape. Plastic is used for making a large variety of articles of daily uses, and these articles are very attractive, but it is advised to avoid the use of plastic as far as possible. Why? As it takes a lot of time to degrade and harm our environment. Why is it not advisable to burn plastic and synthetic fiber, as it releases harmful gases which may cause lung diseases. A bucket made of plastic does not rust, while a bucket made of iron, why? As it does not react with water vapor. Short answer question. Rohit took with him some nylon ropes when he was going for rock climbing. Can you tell why he selected nylon ropes instead of ropes made of cotton or jute? As nylon ropes are strong, durable, lightweight, and has elastic property. A lady went to the market to buy a blanket. The shopkeeper showed her blankets made of acrylic fibers as well as made of wool. She preferred to buy an acrylic blanket. Can you guess why? It also resembles the wool and is dyed in colors which provides it color which would make it attractive and is cheaper than wool also. Fill in the blanks. A polymer is a chain of many units joined together which are called polyunits. The synthetic fibers are also known as dash fibers, artificial fiber. The first fully synthetic fiber was dash nylon. A fiber similar to wool is acrylic. A plastic used for making crockery is dash thermostatic plastic. Now the question ends. Now we will start with chapter 8 of class 8 science. In 1665, Robert Hooke observed a thin sheet of cork under a microscope. He noticed patternized boxes or compartments which were separated from each other by walls. So he named these compartments as cells. Single cellular organisms are made up of single cell. Example, amoeba and egg of a hen. Multicellular organisms are made up of many cells. Example, humans. The projections coming out of pseudopodia are called false feet. The cells are of different shapes. Some have a fixed shape and some do not have, like WBCs. The longest, the spindle-like shaped cell are muscle cell. The longest cell in the body is nerve cell, which is branchy type. WBC does not have a fixed shape. The unit to measure cells are micrometer. The size of a cell do not have any relation with the size of an organism. The cell is the basic structure of the body, as the organs are made up of a group of cells, and the tissues are made up of a group of cells which of the similar kind. Now we will study about the parts of cell, which the first part is the cell membrane. It is a layer that protects the cell from the other microorganisms, which are bacteria. It also avoids mixture of cell material with each other. It gives shape to the cell. It is also called the plasma membrane. Second, cytoplasm. The jelly-like substance present in the cell is called the cytoplasm. It gives protection to the nucleus and also gives it and also provides food to the cell. It gives shape to the cell. It in cytoplasm, organelle and ribosome are present. The nucleus. First, it is the center of the cell. It and is present in the center. It controls all the activities of the cell. It is covered with a cell. It is covered with a cell membrane which provides separation of nucleus material from the cytoplasm. It also contains chromosomes which provide its genes. Now we will study the parts of a plant cell, which are, as we have studied, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, and now we have to study plastids and cell walls. Plastids. These are found in plant cells which give color to the cells. Now the cell wall. It is an additional layer which provides extra protection to the cell. Now there are two types of cell, which are eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. The cell which has nucleus membrane are eukaryotic cell. Example: blue-green algae and bacteria. Second, prokaryotic cell. The cell which do not have nucleus membrane are prokaryotic cell. Example: algae. Now we will study the difference between plant cell and animal cell. There are two differences, which are the plant cell contains cell wall, but the animal cell does not contain cell wall. The plant cell contains plastids and animal cell does not contain plastids. Now here the chapter ends. Now we will take the question and answers of examiner.
These are my sons, and they have both of them have been taught by me, so their exams are appearing. So I thought that it's better that gives an explanation by themselves. So पढ़ते रहिए आप लोग भी, और पढ़ते रहिए, इस चैनल के साथ जुड़े रहिए, और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए। और आरुष अब आपको यूजली स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं एग्जाम्पलर्स को सॉल्व नहीं करते, तो आरुष जो है सिलसिलेवार तरीके से मैंने इन्हें सारा एग्जाम्पलर्स को सॉल्व कराया है। तो ये थोड़ा फैक्ट्स वाइज इनको रीड आउट करेंगे। तो जो भी आप क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आपको करें अपनी जो NCERT बुक है, उसके बाद आपको एग्जाम्पलर्स को अटेम्प्ट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है बच्चों, ठीक है ना। तो एग्जाम्पलर्स को अब आरुष रीड करेंगे बायोलॉजी चैप्टर 6 के लिए और चैप्टर 8 के लिए, और केमिस्ट्री का चैप्टर 3 तो इन्होंने पढ़ाया ही है आपको। और इसके बाद हम लोग फिज़िक्स का चैप्टर लेकर आएंगे, और इनका एग्ज़ाम है मंडे को। तो मैंने सोचा कि इस बार इनको ही रूबरू करवाते हैं दोनों बच्चों को, और आई थिंक दे हैव डन प्रीटी गुड। अभी धीरे धीरे दे आर गोइंग टू फेस द कैमरा एंड दे आर गोइंग टू, अभी तो मैं भी सीख रहा हूँ फेस करना कैमरा को, ठीक है ना। चलो आरुष।
आंसर 1 मतलब क्वेश्चन 1, चूज द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म। यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म respire and reproduce. Majority of cell cannot be seen directly with our naked eyes because cells are microscopic. Read the different combination of cells given below. Cell membrane, mitochondria, ribosome and chromosome. Which of the following term is not a part of the nucleus? Ribosome. A suitable term for the various components of cell is cell organelle. The jelly-like fluid substance present in cell is cytoplasm. Read the following pairs of examples of microorganisms. The pair that belongs to the group of prokaryotic is bacteria and blue-green algae. Read the following terms and select the pair that is related to inheritance of characters, chromosomes and genes. Choose the correct statement. Genes are located in chromosomes. Green color of leaves is due to the presence of pigment chlorophyll. The unit of measurement used for expressing dimensions of cell is micrometer. The most important function of cell membrane is that it controls the exit of material from cell. Paheli accidentally place your hand over a flame and immediately pulled it back. She felt the sensation of heat and reacted due to the action of skin surface. Some of the following parts of a cell listed below. Name the parts that is common to plant cell, animal cell, and a bacterial cell. Nucleus. The thread-like structure present in the nucleus are chromosomes. Identify the statements present which is true for cells. A single cell can perform all the functions in a unicellular organism. Which of the following is not a cell? Virus. Which of the following feature will help you in distinguishing plant cell from an animal cell? Cell wall. Under a microscope, Bailey observed a cell that has a cell wall but not distinct nucleus. The cell that she observed is a plant cell. A cheek cell do not have plastids. Identify the correct statement. Prokaryotes do not have nucleus. Identify the correct statements about cell. Cells of a tissue have similar structure. In leaves, name the cell organelle and pigment that is responsible for green color, chlorophyll. The instrument used to observe cell is microscope. We do not sense any pain when we clip our nails or cut our hair. Why? As the dead part of the nails and hair is cut. In cells, where are genes located? It is located in the nucleus. Amoeba and amoeba belong to which category of organisms? Single cellular organisms. What are the functions of cell wall in plant? Cell it provides color and fixates its shape of the plant. Is the following statement correct? If it is wrong, correct the statement. Unicellular organisms do not respire. Only multicellular organisms respire. Unicellular organisms do respire and multicellular organisms also respire. Here the question ends. Now please subscribe to our channel